Okay, I'm going to introduce you to the new, what do we call this? Actually, this is going to be our new little, give a name for it as well, yeah? Fishing boat. Looks Darwin, by the way. Matches the colour, look. So this is, I'll put the title, what it's called, the actual boat's called. It's a rescue boat. Rigid something or other. This is going to be used on a local river and the sea. Look at that. What a beaut. I think they're virtually unsinkable, aren't they? I hope so. Comes on a fantastic trailer. Alloy wheels. Look at this. This is solid. I mean, this is solid. Okay. I've got a beautiful engine. I think you've seen the engine in another video. I've got a beautiful 4-stroke 9.9 Mercury engine. You're right, mate. Look at that. So three rough ribs that can land on, so we can beach it. I'm really chuffed. Brand new winch someone's put on. I've bought, this is an engine lock. Let me put that into focus, can you see that? There you go, and then you put this inside, put the appropriate bolt, stainless steel bolt in through that, and then tighten it up. That's it, not going anywhere, so that's going on. I'll put every pocket out the way for now. Comes with one seat. Back into focus. And this compartment here lifts up. I don't know how deep it is. So that's going to be for your fishing gear. That's pretty deep. You could, which I was thinking doing, is putting either a wooden floor, just a very light floor, so we can actually, well, I can kip in it. You can sit on the sides, you can sit on the seat. The sides are massive. Really chuffed with this. Tell me what you think in the comments down below. So look at this, look at this. She's a slimline beast. Definitely looking forward to get this on the water. There we go. Really chuffed. And from stern to bow, right to the top here to here, it's virtually 12 foot. Pretty good, isn't it? Let's see what the width is at the widest part. I presume. Let's have a look, I'll soon tell you. It's not really the widest point, it's 5 foot wide everywhere. So, from that point there, that point there, look at it. This is going to have some fun on this. 5 foot. So, some of my ideas will be, there's going to be a boat tent on this. So I'll be connecting them. There's all the original places to put poles and whatnot, so I'll be using that. Even here, there's little holes there, so I can put nothing like a bolt through that up then into a tent position. I've got tarps, I've got everything. So for the summer we'll be some camping out, fishing, and using it as a sleep in it. Yeah, I got some really good ideas. Fantastic. Look at that, I love this trailer as well. The skids underneath, I think, aren't they? Let's have a look. Looking really good nick. Look at this. Brilliant. Okay, so there you go. A little bit of an introduction to the new toy. I hope you like it. You're going to see a lot more of it, hopefully. Someone spent a bit of money on this. So I'm going to try and get in the garage now. Not too sure what these are for, but I'll be using all this sort of stuff. Drain plugs. Possibly even put storage compartments in here, but I'm not too sure if that will weaken it. I wouldn't have thought so. There's bags of him. It's all just ice, that is. Okay, if you enjoyed this one, I'm just introduction to the boat. You can think of some names, drop them down below. Could call it the Tangerine or something. It's rather bright, but that's fine. Alright, take care, and catch you in the next vid.